If you're looking for a new phone and you want something different, check this one out from TCL. This is the K70, also known as the NXTPAPER. And they call it NXTPAPER for a reason. Look at that. Goes into like an e-reader mode with the touch of a button. Again, you press that button again, and now you're back into color mode. Now this all happens because of the NXTPAPER key, as they call it, and that's that small little button you see rare on the bottom. When you press that, you can adjust through the 3 different types of NXTPAPER modes that they have on this phone. Otherwise, it's a standard phone. You have your USB-C, and it also does have a headphone jack. The next thing we're going to look at is the 3 different NXTPAPER modes. We've already seen the main one, but now we're going to try ink paper mode. And this one, you'll notice, really kind of has it almost like everything was like hand drawn with a pencil. A very different style, so it really depends on your preference what kind of style that you like. Me personally, I didn't like this one, so I'm going to go and press the NXTPAPER key again, go back to the color mode, and then we're gonna select the last mode. And you don't have to do this every time. Once you select the default one that you like, it won't show you the screen again, but the last one is called color paper mode. I'm gonna go ahead and select that. And it does give you still that kind of ink look to it, but when I zoom in, you'll notice there's just a slight bit of color. So I kind of prefer this because it's subtle, but it still is somewhat stimulating when you're looking at the screen and you're just not gonna get fatigued. Turning it around, of course, everybody cares about the camera on a smartphone. You get a 50 megapixel main camera, 5 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 32 megapixel front facing camera. I'm gonna use the 2 cameras on the back to take a picture of this garden bed of broccoli that I'm growing. Took it from the side. I gotta admit, I wasn't really happy with the photo, but it wasn't the camera, more of myself and the angle that I took it. So I'm gonna go to another garden bed. Here I got a sign. I built this sign. I wanted to get a shot with the cilantro growing and that cilantro sign. Boom, there it is. Looks beautiful. Something I can share on like all the gardening groups that I belong online. Last but not least, also had a spinach sign. Spinach is growing. I just want to harvest this. So before we do that, you gotta get that candid shot of the spinach growing. And boom, another thing I can share on the gardening groups. Got it all from this beautiful phone. So if you're suffering from just phone fatigue and you want something a little more duller, I would highly recommend you check this phone out. It's budget friendly. It's easy on the eyes, of course, especially if you do a lot of reading, say news and stuff, or you just want to use your phone less. Of course, it has Gemini built right into it, so it's a very affordable way to have AI literally at your fingertips. I'm Andy Baryer, Handy Andy. Make sure you follow me for more handy tips. See you again next time.